What are we doing on this one?
I want to do something different, but we just need the right music. Oh, I can work with this. It's got a good beat. I am a little nervous though. Can we cut to some neighborhood B-roll and then come back to me? Okay, let's do this.
You're here cause you're looking for some tutelage, searching all in Manhattan's Greenwich Village. I'm here just to get your attention for this sunny one in mint condition. Renovated, no expenses spared. Open chefs, that's sub, not Frigidaire. King size, it's the perfect home. Just list it, come make it your own. 45 West 10. Apartment 3D, 45 West 10, apartment 3D.
Lit with a bright southern exposure overlooking these iconic village townhomes with an elegant and efficient layout, tons of closet space, renovated to the nines and looking fine. Well, I wanted to try something different for this cool downtown home, but that's all I got, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, you should definitely reach out and come see this amazing apartment in person. Feel free to connect on social media, email, cell, anytime. And I'll see you real soon at 45 West 10.